Everybody leave me be and I will.
This is not fun. Evicting people is not fun.
I'm trying, sir. I don't want to lose nothing else.
So guys, in this episode, in this vlog, I want to show you what an eviction is like in Pennsylvania. First of all, in Pennsylvania, depending on how you have your lease written up, if the person hasn't paid you in, let's say, 10 days, you go to the magistrate, you file for the notice. About a week later, 7-8 days later, you get a court date. Once that judge renders your thumbs up to move them out, then you got to wait 10 days from that decision. So on the 11th day, you got to go back to the court and you got to file a form called order of possession. And when you file for that order of possession, then you wait for the constable to call you or send you a letter. And that's usually within a week. Within a week, you get the constable send you a letter and tells you, on this day, we're going to meet you at the property to vacate, to get the person out. I bought this property about 5 months ago. This person decided not to pay us. This person, I've created another video where I walked it with her. This person, we gave her a shot. She said she was paying her rent and then she decided she wasn't gonna pay her rent. Then she said she was gonna be moving out and she never moved out and she got away with it. I really don't like evicting people. One of my highest values is integrity. It's really important for me that people do what they say they're going to do. However, I do realize that people aren't like me, and a lot of people's values is not integrity. I'm meeting the constable here. He should be here. Join me. I'm going to show you a real live eviction. This is in Wilkes Barre, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you what we're going to see how she left this apartment, and then we're going to go upstairs and I'm going to show you. We're going to see together what my contractor did upstairs. So, okay, so here we are. As you can see, they're moving. And we're going to see how this turns out, right? I see people moving out here.
Constable, hello?
Everybody leave me be and I will. Don't talk to me.
I don't calm down.
Constable.
Okay. I have 15 minutes.
Hold on. Wait.
Say, excuse me.
No, you can
I have to
watch
It's a disability. I'm trying, sir. I don't want to lose nothing else.
You can watch over.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't want to lose nothing. I'm just so sick. And please. I'm trying to concentrate on you. Would you please not talk? Please, go take Dad to the emergency
And just guys, this is what people do. Come inside and see what people do to properties when you're evicting them. This is what they do, right? This is what you expect. And this is the importance of understanding that while we play in the affordable housing space, we want to make sure that we're getting the right people. And we have a series of systems and questions. You want to do a little room here, you want to go around.
Broken glass.
Yeah. So look at all the garbage that's being left behind for me here. This is not fun. Evicting people is not fun. It just isn't. Look at all this. Look at all this, guys. This is the game. Really hate evicting people. However, I have a responsibility for my business. So getting a lockbox in the truck so we can secure that property. You know, doing this thing here, she's almost dangerous, right? So she's a manic depressant. It's concerning, right? Because she took it personal and she's losing her shit over there. And it breaks my heart. I feel for her. This is a perfect example of people not accepting responsibility. See, the contractual agreement says, you pay your rent, I provide you a service. You don't pay your rent, you no longer get a service. It really breaks my heart because I know what it's like to be poor. Ultimately, really, this house, this asset is not mine. And I'm going to talk to you guys from the heart now. This asset is really not mine. This asset is loaned to me. That's real talk, right? God owns the land. I don't own this land. I'm just steward of this land for now. And I have to be responsible with what I'm responsible for, what's been given to me. I really didn't want to kick her out, guys. We let her stay there for 2 months without paying. And she had telling me the story that she's got this mobile home she bought, and we gave her grace. The minute we figured out she was playing games, she was giving me stories, we decided it's time to move on her. And it breaks my heart. But I have to do what I have to do. I have a responsibility. You know, you got to experience what it's really like. I usually don't come to evictions. I let my team handle it, but I knew this one was going to be a challenge, and I didn't want to expose my team. It would be irresponsible of me, knowing this lady is unstable, to have her be alone with my team, even though the constable's here. It would be irresponsible for me as a leader. I hope there's lessons for her there. There's many lessons for me here. This is my game. This is what I do. This is what I'm responsible for. And I just got to keep doing what I got to keep doing. It's not really personal. I'm responsible for this. I got to pay taxes. I got a tax bill. I don't got to justify it. But anyways, appreciate you guys. If you guys like this content, I appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Let's discuss it in the comments. Share it, like it, share it with someone that maybe is thinking about getting into this game, right? This is one of the reasons why I don't self-manage. This is one of the reasons why you don't self-manage. You got a team to do it, right? You have a property management company. They handle all of this for you. You don't deal with it. All right, guys, peace out. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.